I hope you all are doing well. Last time we started the topic practical geometry, in which we discussed the first type of construction of quadrilaterals. If you want to watch that video, the link is in the I button. In the first type of construction, 4 sides of the quadrilateral and 1 diagonal were given. Today we will learn the second type, in which 3 sides and 2 diagonals of a quadrilateral are given. So let's consider this example. Here we are asked to construct a quadrilateral ABCD, in which AB and BC are 5 cm each, CD is equal to 6 cm, and the diagonals are each 7 cm long. First of all, we will make the rough figure, because rough figure helps us in visualizing the method of construction. This case looks similar to the previous case, but you can observe one thing here, that the 3 sides of the lower triangle are not known to us. So we will start our construction by drawing that triangle whose all sides are known. Let's start the construction. You can start by drawing any one diagonal. I'm constructing the diagonal AC first. After constructing the diagonal AC, we will complete the upper triangle. So taking center as A and radius 5 cm, we'll draw an arc above AC. Then with center C and radius BC equal to 5 cm, we'll draw another arc intersecting this arc at point B. This way we get the third vertex B of this quadrilateral. You may join AB and BC at this point or later on at the end of the construction. Next we are going to complete the lower part of the triangle. Now we have to locate the point D. As we are given the side CD equal to 6 cm, we will take it as radius and center at C and draw an arc below AC. Now the point D is lying somewhere on this arc, and we are given the distance of this point from B. So taking center B and radius BD equal to 7 cm, we will draw an arc intersecting this previous arc. This gives us the fourth vertex D of the quadrilateral. Now we can join all the 4 vertices, and thus we get the quadrilateral ABCD. So you can observe that only one step is different from the steps of the first method, that instead of A, we are constructing the 4th arc from point B. In the next example, you are asked to construct the quadrilateral LIFT. You are given various measurements here, but how to find out which one is the diagonal? As I discussed earlier, rough figure will always help us. So let's draw the rough figure. And now you can easily decide that IT and LF are the diagonals. So you are going to start your construction by drawing any one of these 2 line segments. Can you try it yourself? Pause your screen, try it, and then you can match your answer with my answer to find out whether you have done it correctly or not. I hope you were able to make the figure correctly. Now there is another type of question. You have to construct a rhombus BEND, where you are given BN and DE. Children, I discussed with you earlier that we can also find the names of the diagonals from the name of the quadrilateral. So you can see here, leaving one vertex, we get BN and ED are the names of the diagonals. It means only the diagonals are given in this question. You can easily observe this after making the rough figure. You may be wondering how we can make this figure with the help of the method which we have discussed just now. No, it's not possible because we don't know any of the sides. We will be using a property of rhombus here. It says that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So let me explain how we will use this property. If we mark the point of intersection of the diagonals as O, then OE and OD will be both equal and they will be half of the length 6.5 cm. And similarly, BO and ON will also be equal and each of them will be half of 5.6 cm. It also means that BN and ED are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So we can draw the perpendicular bisector of one of the diagonals and then mark 2 points on it at equal distances to get the other diagonal. Let's see how it will be done. We can start our construction with any diagonal. Let us start with the diagonal ED. Quickly draw the diagonal ED equal to 6.5 cm. Next we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this. So all of you remember how to draw the perpendicular bisector? We will take more than half of it as the radius and we'll draw two arcs on either sides of ED with centers E and D one by one. So quickly construct the perpendicular bisector and name this point of intersection as O. Now the other diagonal is divided into equal parts by the point O. So length of BO and ON will be 2.8 cm each. We will take 2.8 cm as the radius on our compass and center at O, and we will cut two arcs on either sides of O on this perpendicular bisector. So children, these 2 points of intersection which we are getting here are the end points of the second diagonal. Name them as B and N and then join the 4 points to get the quadrilateral BEND. Is the method clear? If you have any doubts, any questions, you can write in the comment box and I'll try to answer them as early as possible. So that was all for today. We will meet again with another video on another method. Till then, just keep practicing, stay safe and take care.